Okay, so the looking at the Dow 5-minute chart, you can see we've got a pretty bearish run going on. The last candle's just spiked all the way down to the previous lows, touched it, and well, literally just started to reject. But how long that lasts, we don't know. So I've taken a long position, stop loss a little way off, gives us a bit of room under the 2,500, which might act as a psychological barrier. Yeah, we're looking for a bounce back up to sort of the 2,560 area initially. But yeah, so hopefully a relatively straightforward trade, but we'll wait and see what happens. So trade we placed is now in profit. We could have taken the £200 profit for the daily profit that we normally look for from this trade, but decided to let this run. Obviously want to try and still adhere to the at least 4-to-1 rule. What I have done is I've protected the bank. I've moved the stop loss up to break even, in the hope that that is a spike down, and we now sort of start retracing back up to these levels. So sometimes it's tempting to take the trade as soon as it gets into profit. But one other trade today so far, which is a losing profit, and we lost £73. But trying to adhere to my 1 in 4 rules and the hope that eventually one of these kicks in and we'll make up not only a profit for today, but we'll start clearing some of the losses from earlier in the week. So let's see how this goes. Interestingly, just on the back of that point, just done a quick calculation, and I'm down as things stand around, it was £490 for the week. Target on this trade, if it does start creeping higher and goes north, it's more of a psychological one. We do have to cover my week's losses, which would hit me around this mark, which, as you can see, it ties in nicely with this particular resistance zone previously. So it's an interesting decision at that point. Do I be a bit cautious, as I always try to be, and just recover all my losses for the last week, or do I stick with the philosophy of letting this run reach the higher targets? It's an interesting dilemma, and one I'm not sure on the right answer to. Yeah, just thought I'd comment that on the video for my own reference, for just for my mindset at a given point in time. So yeah. So there we have it. The trade just stopped out for break even. A couple of candles, lots of indecision. Tried to rally up, but didn't really manage to hold on to that. And then we had another candle which pushed us right down and literally just touched us out for break even. So nothing lost, but unfortunately nothing gained either. So never mind, it's the way it goes.